headlines, the Dow up 278 points this half hour to 27,712. Coming up next, live team coverage of traffic and weather, including the 5-day forecast. WSB News Time, 12:05.
Join us tomorrow for Atlanta's Morning News and find out in ways Clark Howard says restaurants are working to stay open. Plus the latest on the pandemic and sports this fall on 95.9 WSB.
Woo!
You got to pay attention.
That's a tickle.
That goes for when you're on the roads, and it goes for when you're inside your home. Did you notice maybe when you dropped that pin this morning, it rolled?
Morning News and find out in ways Clark Howard says restaurants are working to stay open. Plus the latest on the pandemic and sports this fall on 95.9 WSB.
Woo!
You got to pay attention.
That's a tickle.
That goes for when you're on the roads, and it goes.
Join us tomorrow for Atlanta's Morning News and find out in ways Clark Howard says restaurants are working to stay open. Plus the latest on the pandemic and sports this fall on 95.5 WSB.
Woo!
You got to pay attention.
That's a tickle.
That goes for when you're